Charlie, get that moth. See it? Charles. Moth. Right there. Look at it. See it? Charlie, get the damn moth. What'd you do? Did you kill the damn thing? What'd you do? Look.
Do the damn thing, Charlie.
Charles, look.
Ow, Charlie! Charlie bit me!
It's right there. What? Charles, look. Look. Charlie. There it is.
I sent Rick a text earlier. Are you still in for actually, I sent him a text a week ago that just said penis question mark. No reply. I sent him a text earlier tonight. Are you still in for fantasy football, right? And his only reply was no. And I was like, you've been doing all right? You disappeared on us again. And I got no reply.
Charlie, how did that moth taste? You got tired of chasing it? You just want to eat it? Okay. Okay. Eat the moth then. Alright. Good enough.